Here is a math puzzle for you. Given the following diagram, find the area of the rectangle. Before we start solving, if you want to solve this on your own, please feel free to pause the video. To solve this problem, first, we have to draw a chord to form the triangle shown. Since rectangles have right-angle corners, the corner triangle is a right triangle. Following the congruent marks, the right triangle is isosceles, meaning the acute angles must be 45 degrees, and that makes this angle right here measure 135 degrees, because the sum of 45 degrees and 135 degrees is 180 degrees. 135 degrees is an inscribed angle, hence the intercepted arc measures twice, that is 270 degrees. Now the remaining arc measure is 90 degrees to complete 360 degrees. Next, the central angle measures 90 degrees, same as the intercepted arc measure. If we draw an arc C as shown, we form a right triangle where the legs are equal to the radius of the circle. The radius is 10 centimeters, which is half the diameter 20 centimeters. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for C. C squared is equal to 10 squared plus 10 squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. C squared is equal to 200. Take the square root of both sides. Rewrite 200 as 100 times 2. Take the square root of 100, which is 10. So C is 10 square root of 2. Next, if we assume that the width of the rectangle is x units, then the length must be 2x. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem on the highlighted right triangle. X squared plus 2x squared is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is 10 square root of 2. Two x squared is equal to 4x squared. 10 squared is 100, while square root of 2 squared is 2. Combine similar terms, we get 5x squared. And 100 times 2 is 200. Divide both sides by 5 in order to get x squared is equal to 40. Now it's time to calculate the area of the rectangle. The area is length times the width. Note that length is 2x, while the width is x. Upon multiplying, the area expression is 2x squared. Finally, substitute x squared equals 40 into the expression. The area is 2 times 40, which is equal to 80. The area of the rectangle is 80 square centimeters.